All right, weekly grocery haul. I got 2 bags of this romaine lettuce. I got some Greek yogurt, vanilla chocolate chunk blended. I wonder if there chunks of chocolate in here. There's fruit in this one. This one is vanilla blended. This one has strawberry, banana on the bottom.
Don't go in the kitchen.
Oh, so it's not flavored. It's like real bananas and stuff in here?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Oh, I'm a little nervous about that one. And then I got another one of those. I got a rotisserie chicken, bananas, broccoli, stir fry, wonton strips, bacon, cucumber, kiwi, and tomatoes.
Yeah, you're on punishment.
That's it.